Students, today topic is lesson number 9, Bernoulli's formula and improper integral. The given integral is integral u v dx. Variable is x in u v dx is given, then u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u2 dash v3 plus minus u3 dash v4 plus u4 v5 and so on is called the Bernoulli's formula. And improper integral means integral 0 to infinity f of x dx is equal to limit n tending to infinity f of x. This is improper integral. Okay. Now we are going to take ex number 9.4, sum number 1. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Integral 0 to 1 x cube e to the power of minus 2x into dx. The format is u v dx. Integral u v dx. Let 0 to 1 x cube e to the power of minus 2x dx. Here u is equal to x power 3. U dash is one time differentiation. Differentiate x cube with respect to x. We have 3x square using the formula nx power n minus 1. N is 3, x power 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Next u2 dash. Again differentiate with respect to x. We get 6x. u3 dash is equal to 6. Next differentiate with respect to x. We get 0. Why? Number 6 is a constant. Okay. Now v is equal to e to the power of minus 2x. v1 is integrate e to the power of minus 2x. Integrate e to the power of minus 2x. So e to the power of minus 2x integrating with respect to x, we have e to the power of minus 2 divided by minus 2. Next v2 again integrate the above. So e to the power of minus 2x divided by minus 2 into 1 by minus 2. So minus of minus positive e to the power of minus 2x divided by positive 4. Next v3 is equal to e to the power of minus 2x divided by 4 into 1 by minus 2 is equal to e to the power of minus 2x divided by minus 8. Means again integrate with respect to x. So e to the power of minus 2x divided by minus 8 into 1 by minus 2. So e to the power of minus 2x divided by 8 2s are 16. Okay. Now by the Bernoulli's formula, by the Bernoulli's Bernoulli's formula, comma, integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u2 dash v3 minus u3 dash v4 and so on. Now apply the limit, given limit. In this case the limit is 0 to 1. So u is x cube e to the power of v1 is e to the power of minus 2x divided by minus 2. Next, minus u dash is 3x square e to the power of minus 2x divided by 4 plus 6x e to the power of minus 2x divided by minus 8 minus 6 e to the power of minus 2x divided by 16 taken over. The limit in this case is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Next line, common e to the power of minus 2x. E to the power of minus 2x. So e to the power of minus 2x, remaining part x power 3 divided by minus 2 minus 3x square divided by 4 minus plus into minus minus 6 3 6 8 cancelling, we get minus 3 x divided by 4 minus 3 2s are 6 8 2s are, therefore minus 3 divided by 8 taken over. The limit is 0 to 1. Now apply upper limit a to the power of minus 2, apply 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 8 minus a to the power of 0 into first 0, second 0, third 0, 3 terms are 0 minus 3 by 8. So minus 3 divided by 8. Now e to the power of minus 2 LCM is 8. So minus 4 minus 6 then minus 3 whole divided by 8. 8 is LCM. e to the power of 0 is 1. 1 into minus 3 divided by 8. Next line, e to the power of minus 2 10 minus 19 minus 19 divided by 8 minus of minus positive 3 by 8. This means minus 19 e to the power of minus 2 divided by 8 plus 3 by 8. This means 3 by 8 minus 19 e to the power of minus 2 divided by 8. LCM is 8. Therefore 3 minus 19 e to the power of minus 2 divided by 8. Hence integral 0 to 1 x power 3 e to the power of minus 2 dx 2x dx is equal to 3 minus 19 e to the power of minus 2 divided by 8. Hence the result. Integral 0 to 1 sin 3 sin inverse of x into tan inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Let integral 0 to 1 sin 3 sin inverse of x tan inverse of x dx divided by 1 plus x square. Let I is equal to, put tan inverse of x is equal to t. Differentiate left hand side variable is x, right hand side variable is t. Differentiate x with respect to t. Differentiate x with respect to t. 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. Now the limit is changes. So given limit x vary from 0 to 1. X vary from 0 to 1. Now apply x is equal to 0, tan 0 is 0. Therefore t is 0. Apply x is equal to 1. Tan inverse of 1 is equal to t. Tan inverse of tan pi by 4 is equal to t. Therefore tan inverse of tan pi by 4 is pi by 4. So the limit vary from 0 to pi by 4. The given limit is 0 to 1. Put tan inverse of x is equal to t. The limit will be changeable. So the limit vary from 0 to pi by 4. Therefore the given problem 0 to pi by 4 t sin of t tan inverse is t dx by 1 plus x square is dt. Therefore t sin 3t dt. This is u, this is v, this is dx model. So u is equal to here, u is equal to t. U dash equal to differentiate u with respect to t one time 1. V is sin 3t. Integrate sin 3t. We have minus cos 3t divided by 3. Again differentiate with respect to, so again integrate with respect to v1. So v2 is equal to minus sin 3t divided by 3 into 1 by 3. So minus sin 3t divided by 9 and so on. This case u dash is 0 dot 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 by the Bernoulli's formula integral uv dx, in this case dt or dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 and so on. But in this case third part u2 dash is 0, therefore vanish. Now integral 0 to pi by 4 t sin 3t dt is equal to limit vary from 0 to pi by 4 t. T is in this case u. T into v1 is minus cos 3t divided by 3 minus 1 into minus sin 3t divided by 9 taken over the limit 0 to 5 by 4. Now 1 by 9 is common, 3t minus 1 by 9 is common, 3t cos 3t minus sin 3t taken over the limit 0 to 5 by 9. Apply upper limit 5 by 4 3 5 by 4 next cos 3 5 by 4 is minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is equal to minus 1 by 9 minus 3 pi minus 3 pi minus multiply numerator and denominator by 4 is LCM. Therefore 4 whole divided by 4 root 2 is equal to positive 3 pi divided by 9 into 4 into root 2 plus 4 divided by 9 into 1 by 4 root 2. 4 4 cancel, 3 3 3s are 9, 5 divided by 12 root 2 minus of positive 1 by 9 root 2. 1 by root is LCM. 1 by root is common. 1 by root 2 remaining part 5 divided by 12 plus 1 by 9. Hence integral 0 to 1 sin 3 sin inverse of x tan inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square dx is equal to 1 by root 2 pi divided by 12 plus 1 by 9. Okay, next sum number 3. Integral 0 to pi by 2 x square cos 2x dx. Here u is x square, cos 2x is b. Let integral 0 to pi by 2 x square cos 2x dx. Here u is equal to x square, v is equal to cos 2x. Differentiate u with respect to x, u dash is equal to 2x u2 dash is equal to 2, u3 dash is 0, v1 is equal to minus sin. Integrating we have cos 2x means sin 2x divided by 2. Next v2. v2 means integrate again with respect to v1. Therefore minus cos 2x divided by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to minus cos 2x divided by 2 2s are 4. Next v3 is equal to again integrate v2 minus sin 2x divided by 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to minus sin 2x divided by the Bernoulli's formula, integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u2 dash v3 minus u3 dash v4 and so on. Now x square cos 2x dx is equal to uv1. u is x square, v1 is sin 2x divided by 2 minus 2x minus cos 2x divided by 4 plus 2 minus sin 2x divided by 8 taken over limit 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 is equal to apply x is equal to pi by 2 in the upper limit. So pi square divided by 4 pi square divided by 4 bracket sin 3 pi by 2. Sin 3 pi by 2 is sin 2 pi by 2. 2 to cancel, sin pi sin pi by 2 minus 2 x is pi by 2 here pi by 2 into 2 cos minus cos 2 pi divided by 8 cos pi minus plus into minus is minus 2 sin 2 to cancel, so minus sin pi divided by 8 divided by 8 2 sin pi divided by 8, this is upper limit, minus 0 lower limit, x apply 0, 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0, sin 0 is 0, so totally lower limit apply, answer is 0. We know that sin pi is 0, sin pi is 0, since sin pi is equal to 0, cos pi is equal to minus 1, so 2 to cancel, minus of minus positive, so plus pi by 4 cos 0, no cos pi is minus 1, cos pi is minus 1, then this is 0, therefore minus pi divided by 4 is answer. Hence, integral 0 to pi by 2 x square cos 2x dx is equal to minus pi divided by 4 is answer. Dx number 9.5. Evaluate the following. Sum number 1. Integral 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by 1 plus 5 cos square x. Integral 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by 1 plus 5 cos square x. Now divide cos square x by numerator and denominator. We have 0 to pi by 2 1 by cos square x dx divided by 1 plus 5 cos square x whole divided by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is secant square x. 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx divided by secant square x divided by 1 divided by cos square x is secant square x plus 5 cos square x by cos square x is 1. So 5. Next line 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx divided by, we know that secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Using the formula, secant square x is 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x by the trigonometric identity plus 5. This means integral 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx tan square x plus 1 plus 5 is 6. Tan square x plus 6. Let put t is equal to tan x or tan x equal to t. dt is equal to secant square x dx. The limit is changeable. Given limit is x. The limits are vary from 0 to pi by 2. Here to apply x is equal to 0, tan 0 is 0, therefore 0. Apply x is equal to pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is infinity. Therefore the new limit becomes I is equal to integral 0 to infinity dt divided by t square plus 6. This means 0 to infinity dt divided by t square plus root 6 whole square. The limit 0 to infinity dx divided by a square plus 6 square is equal to 1 by pi by 2 is, this is property. integral. Here integral 0 to infinity dt divided by a square plus x square model. So root 6 whole square plus t square. This means pi divided by 2 into, in this case a is root 6. So pi divided by 2 root 6 is answer. Okay. Integral 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by 1 plus pi cos square x is pi divided by 2a. 2 into root 6 is answer. 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by pi plus 4 sin square x into dx. Let I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by pi plus 4 sin square x. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by cos square x into dx divided by pi plus 4 sin square x whole divided by cos square x. The numerator becomes 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx divided by pi secant square x. Pi divided by cos square x. Pi into 1 by cos square x is pi into secant square x plus 4 sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. We know that secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Now apply secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x in the denominator. So 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx divided by pi into 1 plus tan square x plus 4 tan square x. This is 4 tan square x. 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx divided by 5 plus 5 tan square x plus 4 tan square x is 9 tan square x. Put in tan u or tan x is equal to t. Differentiate x with respect to t. Differentiate x with respect to t. We have secant square x dx is equal to dt. T the limit is changeable. The original limit is 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Put x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is infinity. Therefore, I becomes du dt. dt divided by common 9. So 9 into 1 plus 5 by 9 plus t square 1 by 9 integral 0 to infinity dt divided by t square plus root 5 divided by 3 whole square. Root 5 divided by 3 whole square is equal to 1 by 9 integral 0 to infinity dx divided by a square plus x square is equal to 1 by 5 divided by 2a is formula 5 divided by 2a. In this case a is root 5 divided by 3, therefore 1 by 9 into 5 divided by 2 into a is 5 by root 5 divided by 3. Now 1 3 is 3, 3 3 is 9 is equal to 5 divided by 6 into root 5, 5 divided by 6 into root 5. Now 5 divided by 6 root 5, multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. We have root 5 divided by root 5 into root 5 is 5, 5 6 or 30, 5 6 or 30. Hence integral 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by 5 plus 4 sin square x is equal to root 5 into pi divided by 30 is answer. Today homework EX number 9.4, sum number 3. EX number 9.5, evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by 1 plus 9 cos square x. Study well. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.